Hey everybody! Today I'm just going to show you how I quickly and easily use the Quick Cuts transfer paper to transfer an intricate die cut design to my project. And the first thing I did was die cut this birthday phrase block on using my silhouette. And I'm just going to remove the extra paper from around the design, and I'm kind of holding down parts of the letters and words using my scissors, and you can see I've removed that now, and I'm using a craft knife to remove any of the inside pieces of the letters. Some of it didn't come up very well, and so I just need to remove that. And I popped that A right off of my cutting mat, so I'm going to go ahead and lay that back down. And you can kind of see how long it might take if you were to adhere it to your project by hand, because there's so many little pieces. And this is what the transfer paper looks like. It comes in a roll, and it was originally for use with the adhesive vinyl, but you can also use it with your cardstock or pattern paper designs if you use it really carefully. So I'm going to cut about a 5-inch square from a roll I already had open, because that's about the same size as my design. And I'm going to peel off that backing paper, and then I will lay the transfer paper right over my die cut. Something stuck to it, so I'm just removing it there. It's pretty sticky, so you want to press really lightly. And then I find to get your design to pull up, I like to flip my mat over and then pull up the design. And you can see some of it didn't stick to the transfer paper, so I'm pressing the mat back down until those pieces stick, and then I'll just pull the cutting mat away from the design. Just going to hold the transfer paper down a little bit, and there it is. So I can set my cutting mat to the side. And then I'm going to want to take my card that I've already pre-cut, and I'm just going to make sure that the design is going to fit, and it's going to. And then I want to take some adhesive and pretty generously apply it to the back side of my design there. So you make sure and get it on each of those little letters and numbers so that they stick to my project. Just finishing adding that adhesive to my design. I peeled away part of the back of one of my letters or numbers there rather. So I just threw that away. And now I'm going to take my card and I'm going to go ahead and adhere my die cut design right to the center of my card. And I'm just going to press lightly so that the design sticks to the project. And then I'm going to show you, I just started to peel the corner up, and it started to peel away that top layer of the cardstock. So what I like to do is take an adhesive remover like Undo, and I just kind of carefully pull up one corner and add it just to the transfer paper, and then I peel the transfer paper away from the design. It works really easily. You can see it's pulling right away from the die cut. And I just keep adding it as I go there and keep pulling the transfer paper away. I know you can use it without the adhesive remover if you're really careful, but just for me, I find that this works so quick and easy. I haven't cut out any of the removal time from the video, so you can see this is just how long it takes to remove that transfer paper. So from start to finish, it's really fast. So I've got to let that Undo dry a little bit, so I'll set it up so it airs out really quickly, but it hardly takes any time at all. Then I'm just going to round the corners on my card, add some clear accents, flowers and a brad, and I have a quick and easy birthday card. Thanks for watching.